In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Too Many Login Failures error. This error usually appears after multiple incorrect login attempts and triggers a temporary security cooldown. The good news is it's often easy to resolve with a bit of patience and a few cleanup steps. Start by closing Steam completely so it isn't running in the background. Open Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape, go to the Processes tab, and end anything related to Steam, such as the Steam client or Bootstrapper. Now, wait at least 1 hour before trying to sign in again. In some cases, the temporary lockout can last up to 24 hours. It's important not to keep attempting to log in during this period, because each new attempt can extend the cooldown. If you can simply let that timer expire, the error resolves for many users without any other action. Next, refresh your internet connection. Unplug your router and modem from power, wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then plug them back in. This quick power cycle clears minor network glitches and can refresh your public IP address, which sometimes helps if your IP was temporarily flagged. Once the lights are stable and your devices are back online, reconnect your computer and try logging in again. If you still can't get in, connect through a different network to bypass any IP-specific restrictions. A mobile hotspot is a useful test because it gives you a separate connection path. If you're at home and have both Wi-Fi and Ethernet available, try Ethernet for a more stable link while you attempt your login. Avoid public networks when possible, as their shared connections can be inconsistent. For anyone attempting to sign in through a web browser, clear your browser's cache data before trying again. In Chrome or Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete, set the time range to all time, and select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Clear the data, close the browser, and then relaunch Steam. To make sure everything fully refreshes, restart your PC afterward, and then try logging in once more. Give each step a fair chance to work before moving on, and remember that letting the cooldown expire is often the key. Thanks for watching.